In today's video, I'll show you how to allow IP addresses in Cloudflare so you can make sure trusted users or services can access your website without being blocked. If you're new to IP allow listing, it means creating a rule that tells Cloudflare to trust specific IP addresses and allow their requests through your security settings. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website where you want to manage IP access. Next, go to the Security section and open the Firewall or Security Rules area. This is where you can control how Cloudflare handles different types of traffic. Now create a new security rule. Choose the option to add a condition based on an IP address. Enter the IP address that you want to allow. Make sure the address is correct before saving the rule, because an incorrect entry may not work as expected. After adding the IP address, choose the action that allows or skips security checks for that trusted source, depending on the available settings in your Cloudflare account. Review the rule carefully and save your changes. Once the rule is active, Cloudflare will recognize requests from that IP address and apply the permissions you configured. After setup, test the connection from the allowed IP address to confirm that access is working properly. You can also review your security events to check how Cloudflare is handling traffic and make sure the rule is working as intended. If you no longer need an IP address to be allowed, you can edit the rule or remove it from your security settings at any time. Managing IP allow rules carefully helps you balance website protection with access for trusted users and services. And that's how you allow IP addresses in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.